broke every rule so far. Okay, if you're gonna hit something, stay low and brace, right? Yeah. You're full of water already? Okay, pull up right there and dump out. Pay attention, okay? Yeah, well, to the current, yeah. So then back ferry, like you can do a slow motion version here right now. So the current's going pretty much straight, right? So if I'm gonna 45 to the current like this, I'm gonna basically move straight across, you know? See? Except you guys didn't. Guys, watch out for the big rocks. You're going right over top it. Yeah. So keep fairly straight because you don't want to hit a rock going sideways. Go this way more. You're getting close to those rocks. Yeah. Good job. See the rock in the middle? Go around it. And go through here. You got it? Straight through here. And then you want to go far side this way, okay? Yeah, go around, go around. You grab the side of the canoe. Yeah, don't do it. Keep your paddles in. That's the only way it keeps you from flipping. It's okay, we made it. Okay, we gotta wait up. These guys hit rocks. They're stuck. My bad. Don't grab the side, Justin. Paddle in the water. Keep it in the water at all times. What happens if you grab the side? You're basically using the leverage of your whole body to flip your own canoe. It never works. It always put your paddle in the opposite side of the rock. Yeah, you guys did good. I didn't really notice because I was too busy getting rammed from behind. But that was my bad. I was goofing around. Okay, take it easy. Take a little bit of a break because there's going to be a good spot coming up here. You're good. Yeah, you guys got it. That was in between. Good job, guys. You kept that rock one nicely. Yeah, paddles in the water. Okay, good job. Okay, let Logan catch up a bit. It's got a nice easy stretch here. So take it easy. You guys pass me, I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah. Just doing a little filmography here. Keep going. You're good. You got the red boat behind you. Watch out. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job. Did I what? Nicely job. Nicely done, guys. Good job. Paddle in the water. Paddle in the water. Oh, yeah. Guys are doing good. You're getting it. Yeah. Yeah, you don't do that. Use the current. You gotta think of the current. Look at that sweet bank up there. Pretty. I think this is a good stretch. There's a lot of rocks. Okay, so take it easy. Yeah, set it up. Yeah. Okay, you guys are gonna have to stay on the inside here. There's like a rock jam. You gotta go left, okay? Stay away from that messiness on the right. I'm gonna go on the right just for the fun of it, but don't do that. You're doing good. Stay straight, yeah, straighten up. Keep your paddle in the water. Go that way, I'll go this way. Keep your paddle in, boys. Yeah, you're doing good. Okay, stay behind the canoe, it's okay. Go to the shore. Okay, go to the shore. I'll get the paddle. Okay, someone else get paddles. Okay, I cannot carry 3 paddles. You guys are gonna have to take a paddle. Okay, do we got every paddle? Okay. I was trying to get the spits, but when it comes to spits or paddles, I pick paddles. Those guys are gonna get cold. Are you dry? Not really. Did you fall in or you just wet from rain?
I'm just wet from hitting the rough.
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing good. Okay, I'm gonna help dump these guys out. I saved all the paddles, but the spits might be a write-off. All right. If you, okay. All right, you guys are good.
I got caught underneath there, and the canoe flipped over.
Yeah.
I couldn't get out, and I was just under the water.
Yeah. You guys did the right thing. You got behind the canoe, which is perfect.
And the water's coming over.
You guys grabbed the side.
You go grab the side until after it was like here. I'm sorry when it's.
I was watching. I got it on video, at least.
When the thing started, it like dropped my paddle and I tried to get it.
No, it's okay. It was hard to do. It was a bad spot.
Stuck.
Okay, if you guys can help me get this end on the log.
I just wanted to, like, my legs were stuck, and it was flipping, and I knew it was going to flip.
Okay, I'm going to lift this end up. Well, no, wait a second, I got it. Okay. Okay, hop in. Oh, you guys gotta need some paddles yet, but since you dropped them all. Rule number 1, don't drop your paddle, ever.
My paddle got stuck.
If you would have held the paddle, you might not have slipped. It's okay, you guys did pretty good. That was a hard spot. You're cold now, eh? Okay, I think we're getting close to being done, so just... What? Yeah, we're getting close. Yeah, we're gonna warm you up.
That was the worst. Look, my legs were caught up in there. Like this, and I'm under the water. Oh, I never...
Yeah, no, that was pretty dead. You guys did good. You stayed fairly calm as far as I could see.
Yeah, no, we were fine. I just said, like, so you got us slipping and all that on video, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I got the aftermath of the exact moment. I think I might have.
Man, I got my legs stuck, so when the canoe was going, I was going with it.
Yeah. Okay, watch yourself. Yeah, I think this is about as bad as it gets. There's one more spot I think is bad. Oh, just when as soon as you hit it. Oh no. Okay, paddles. We'll keep moving because these boys are gonna get cold. Okay. Okay, let me go first though. You can, if you don't mind going second. Yeah. You guys stay behind Justin, okay? Alright, this is what we call the toss and go. Toss and go. I think it's already like 5 o'clock, so. Woo. Okay, wait for me, guys. Okay, it's a good one. Look alive, boys! Okay, it was the second hardest spot. I forgot. Woohoo! Doing good, boys. I think this is about as hard as it gets, yeah. I know. That's awesome. Watch out, big rock, guys. You're going right on it. Yeah, you might have to get a leg out there. You have to spin it one way or the other. Wait up for these guys. Slow down. Yeah, I don't know if I got that, but I don't know if I got you. You were behind the canoe. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. No, you did right. You stayed behind the canoe. Okay, you gotta slow it up, wait for these guys. Whatever you do, stay away from the wood. That's one way to stop, yeah. Okay. You guys are gonna have to get out. You're stuck. Slow up and wait up if you can a little bit. These guys are stuck pretty good. Logan, go help them. So, tip, canoes work better in water. Canoes work better in water than on rocks. You guys are like, there was no water underneath you. You guys had to get out of the boat. No, I know, Josh would have had to get out. No, it was fine. Like, I thought you were parking, but like you couldn't wiggle and free because there was no water underneath you. Like, there was no water. You were just completely on rocks. What are you, my children? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? I don't know. We're almost there. It's before that mountain. We're almost there. Okay, you see that log? Don't hit it, boys. You gotta go left here. What's that?
We were in the
Oh, we don't take the coma here. We wouldn't have made it very far. Like you guys hit a lot of rocks, and this thing did pretty good. Like, yeah. Yeah, the canoe is pretty forgiving. Grab the paddle. You got it? Good job. Yeah, keep your paddle down. Don't grab the side. Okay, right through here, boys. Yeah, when you go off a bump like that, do a stroke. Like you guys always pause, but if you're paddling, you'll be more stable. Okay, we gotta hold up, wait for these guys. Yeah, just go between the rocks. Yeah, practice the back paddle through these rocks. Try it like that. What are you doing? Yeah, I mean through, not on top of them. Okay, just spin, you got it. You're good. Yeah. Good job, good job. Nicely done. Way to aim for the rock. Slide right off it, like butter. Yeah, no, it's because it's Hypalon, it's rubber. It's got neoprene on the bottom. Woo! Woohoo! No, I was going to do a sweet move. I wanted to get a picture of you guys in case you wiped. Nice close-up. But you pulled it off. If you realize it's a losing game, I'm wearing a dry suit.
Don't play a game that you know you can't win.
Yeah. Oh. This is called Kinuseo Creek. It's a creek. It could, if you were doing this, you would have flipped 10 times already. Yep. I haven't even ever paddled one of these before. It's my first time. It's my first time with one of these. Yeah, Logan's doing really good. But they are, like, they're pretty forgiving, like, you know, I can go through this backwards and still not flip. Then the green, blue one? No, the blue one, you have to be a complete idiot to flip it. You're doing good. You're doing quite good. No, that one, they've hit as many rocks as you did, and they hit them worse. You guys are actually canoeing better than them. Don't tell them I said that, but no, it's just that canoe, like me and Dominic took that on a class 4 river. This is a class 2 river. Just when you hit that cross current, make sure you got your brace down. Okay, and there's a really sharp corner here. So you gotta take it on the inside and back ferry it. Yeah. I'm gonna go here, but don't you go there, don't go by the tree. Yeah, go around the rock. Stay away from the tree. Paddle in the water, don't let go of your paddle. Okay, you gotta go this way on this side here. That's a ledge on the other side. Right in here, yeah. This is the hardest part. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! You're doing good. Got it. Just paddle away from the wall. Okay, let's wait up here for these guys. Get it the boat on pin. You gotta unpin that boat quick. Stay on the tree, you're good. Yeah. Okay. Where's the other paddle? Do we know? Okay. Okay, catch this paddle. Okay. Okay. Okay, get your feet off the canoe. I'm gonna spin the canoe. Justin, you're gonna have to pull on this side of the boat. Pull on that side of the boat. Pull it this way. No, this way. Angle it, yeah. No, you're wrong. Okay. Pull. Get it higher. Okay. Let it go and grab it. Okay, we're good. No, it's fine. We'll flip it back in a sec. No, well, you had it. That's why you almost punctured it when you were pulling down. Okay. Because this stuff is tough. That's not. Okay, we can flip it up. Grab the spits. There we go. Don't want to lose the spits. Even if only for moral support. Okay. I think your shoes are gone, man. We'll keep an eye on front. There's an eddy there. They're probably in it. Okay, hop in. Yeah, no. Let me go first, yeah. He'll hold it. Because if he gets in first, it'll spin. Okay, get in.
Oh, okay. That was awesome.
Nicely done. Okay, good recovery.
Where's the other paddle?
Let's say you dropped it. Okay, we'll take a lie out. It can't be too far. There's a shelf here, so you want to either walk around if you want, or just go right there. But you can't go here. Either go there, or just walk it over. But you can make it if you want. I can walk you right through. Where's Logan? Where's your boat? Okay, you're ahead? Okay. Okay. Good news is, I got it on video. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna basically shoot you down. You wanna get in, Justin? You're already wet, you might as well. This spot is not really hard, but it'll be fun. Okay, let's get him out to the side as much as we can. You gotta have to push me more. Logan, you gotta paddle forward, Justin. We have to get you all the way over there. Yeah. Okay, let go, Logan, I got him. Great job on the rescue boat, Logan. Thanks. I see it. I got the paddle. I haven't seen a shoe yet, no. Keep your eye out. Practice the eddy turn. Curl in here and park. Curl in and park. Forward ferry, yeah, hard. Pivot, pull in.
Take a look, you got parallel.
Yeah, boom, yeah, forward, you'll come right in the eddy. That's what they call an eddy turn. You grab the spot where the water is recirculating. It's a good move if you're in big rapids to like pause and scout the next chunk, you know. There might be some mountain goats on this hill here. There might be some mountain goats on that hill. What? I don't think so. If it was, we're rich. Very carefully. Take a look, there might be a mountain goat there. See that whitish spot? Oh. Remember Lawton and Avery and their bags that they had closed there? You think that would have lasted all the way here in those? No. No. Good thing we didn't bring our clothes. Alright, you guys alright? I got your paddle. Yeah. Who knows? The paddle could have. This was caught up on the side, so shoes could still be further up. What color are your shoes? Like that one over there? Your shoes weren't on your feet or what? Were your shoes on your feet? Okay. You might be able to see it around the corner, but there's a mountain goat on one of those hills. The rock, go left. Yeah, good. Keep paddles in. Good. Check out this slide. That's cool. I guarantee you within 12 hours we'll be there. Okay, you're gonna have to stay inside on this.
We're literally on your tail, Ben.
Get out of my tail. Watch out the rock. Okay, rock coming up. Watch what you're doing, guys. Okay, let's take it easy. Wait for everyone to catch up. Yeah. That's cool. You see those fossils in there? In the inner cracks there. Yeah, you guys gotta go on this side of that tree there, right? Gotta go further right, guys. Stay away from the tree. Watch what you're doing. Accidentally.
What are you talking about, accident?
There are no accidents. Alright, we're almost there. 1.3 kilometers. Yeah. I think he's okay. Once he gets back in, he's good. job, Logan. That, boys, is how you don't drop your paddle. How's your hat? Is your hat still dry? Good. Oh no. You got it stuck. You probably put it in between some rocks, I guess. Okay. I guess it'll work okay without, but. You need a break? Are you injured? Okay. What happened? You kind of, you flip and then break your paddle, or your paddle got stuck and then it flipped you? Yeah. You just caught an edge or what? What? You guys are fine. You just gotta spin. Put Kaylin's end backwards. Your end's gotta go this way. His end's gotta go this way. I think your hat got wet. Give him a little tap on this side. Yeah, hit him. Hit him. Grab their side. Oh. Thanks for not helping. Okay. Okay. That's alright. You just gotta pivot, Kaylin. How you guys doing? You alright? Okay. Logan's got a broken paddle, so. Yeah, slow it down, let everyone catch up. It's not like if you get there first, you'll get warm first, because Justin has the keys. Yep, just around the bend.
Right, there's the rock there.
723 meters now.
Oh my God. Straighten out, guys, straighten out. Oh my goodness. Holy, how did that work out for us?
If you pee, you'll be warmer. No, don't stop. We're almost there. You don't want to stop. Keep moving. It'll get too cold. It's right around that one, I think. Josh actually has the best setup because with his coat on top of his life jacket, he doesn't get the evaporative cooling. Like, I'm surprised Dalen's not shivered in his pants yet because that garbage bag is helping him some. But, yeah, no, you guys have to because you're gonna get hypothermia otherwise. Yeah, what? Well, you're all equally wet. You're 100% wet, basically, all of you. I'm dry as a bone. It feels great. My hands are a little damp. I don't know. I feel bad about that. But doesn't matter. You could never catch me, and you could never tip me. And if you tip me, I would still be dry. So. I jumped in. When I had to go rescue those guys, they pinned my boat on that tree, eh? They almost broke the boat. We'll see. Keep paddling! Paddle, boys! Yeah, you gotta stay on the inside. This side. Yeah, you're good. Other side there, Justin. You gotta draw stroke. If you, like with your broken paddle, you might have to do some draw strokes to get yourself over like that. Alright, boys. 720 meters, and we're done. 720. Yeah. That was the last hard spot, if I remember right. You guys have Giving it a good thorough test today, I tell you. That was like a sharpened stick right at it. Made it! Woo! And we lived. Okay, pull in right here, guys. All right, you're a pack rafter now.